Good day, mabuhay! My name is Richard D. Garcia from VHHM1C, Bachelor of Science in Hospitality Management. Today, I will be discussing the 7 most common factors that cause breakage, along with the proper techniques for handling table appointments. So let's get started.
Factors that causing breakage. Mechanical impact. It may result from an object-to-object contact. To avoid mechanical impact, first, do not stack glasses. Only chinawares can be stacked using decoy method. Second, avoid handling glasses in gate. Instead, put them in a tray and avoid sticking them to each other. Third, never put cutlery in a glass. Instead, put them in their appropriate container. Fourth, never overload food containers. Carry just enough to avoid crowding. Never dunk glasses in a sink. Instead, put them directly in a divider or glass rack. Thermal shock. Thermal shock occurs in glasses due to rapid temperature changes, causing uneven expansion or contraction and internal stress that can lead to cracking or shattering. First, never put hot water in a glass, and vice versa. Never put chilled or cold bowl or glasses in a microwave. Never put hot water in a bowl, plastic containers, or any glasses that is not heat resistant. Improper handling and misuse of equipment. Used only for intended purposes. For example, using glasses to scoop ice. Instead, use a proper ice scooper. Do not use knife as can opener. Instead, use a proper can opener. Improper racking and stacking. Like stacking glasses and stacking together of chinawares in different sizes and shapes. Never stack glasses. Instead, put them in their appropriate glass rack. Stack chinawares using decoy system. Stacking chinawares according to their size and shapes in uneven stacking. Next, avoid overloading trays and bus foam. Instead, do this. Never stack dishes too high. Inattentiveness or absent-mindedness. Accidents often occur when service personnel are absent-minded or inattentiveness while executing service, especially when they are carrying breakable equipment. Improper busing. To avoid accidents and breakage, busboys and waiters must see to it the trays are not overloaded. Follow the 3SS: scrape, stack, and segregate. Appropriate trays are used. Bar trays are for bar items, rectangular or oval trays are for chinawares. Trays are positioned #it is well balanced. Heavy items should be placed at the center. Trays should be properly handled with a palm, not with fingers holding the plates. Environmental factors. Presence of safety hazards that can cause accidents. Make sure to put caution signage to avoid accidents caused by water spills or wet floors. Broken floors must immediately repaired to avoid accidents. Lastly, do not use blind doors. Instead, use doors that can see people coming inside and outside.
That is all. I hope you learned something new about my demonstration on the 7 factors that cause breakage. Thank you.